Hey preppers! In today's Good to Know video, we'll teach you how to use a study method called Retrieval Practice. Retrieval practice is exactly what it sounds like. Your brain practices retrieving information, then brings it back to you. So how do you make your brain go fetch? Retrieval practice requires two things: time and forgetting. Sounds counterintuitive, but it's true. Science has repeatedly shown that studying over time and not cramming is the most effective way to learn and retain information. Here's how you do it. Pick a topic to study, and after you've spent some time learning, step away from it for a day, or at least several hours. Then try to recall as much as you can about that topic and write it down. Review what you remembered and fill in the blanks on what you forgot from your original notes. Then try it again the next day. Your goal is to keep adding on to what you can remember each time you try to retrieve the information. After a few rounds, you should be able to recall a wealth of facts about your topic. So why does retrieval practice work? Our memories are fluid, not static. This means each time you recall a memory, you strengthen its neural patterns in your brain. You can then add additional information to enhance your comprehension and connect it to other ideas. When you learn something, forget it, and then try to retrieve that information. Your brain has to work to reforge those memory paths. This action makes those paths stronger and will help you recall that information more quickly in the future. That's all for now. Happy studying!